I don't know if you've noticed, but animal sounds are particular to the language that you speak. Like, what do frogs say in English? Uh-huh. What do they say in Cantonese? Quack, quack. What do chickens say? Rooster, what do they say in English? In English, cock-a-doodle doo. And in Chinese?
Go 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 go.
Go, 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 go. In the Philippines, they say, "Tiktilak!" So when you have sex with somebody, they also form sounds that are particular to the language that. It's true. It's so true. I've been around. So I, I found myself having a one-night stand with this guy from. Is anybody from Thailand? Thailand. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful country, beautiful people, but it's a very nasal. It's a very nasal language. So I was having sex with him, and beautiful guy, and then he started saying, "Oi." You were talking about a boner killer a while ago. I mean, that's the last thing you want to hear. Oi, oi, oi. And the faster we went, the faster it became. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. So there's a point when you have to say, stop! No! So I left, but it was my house.